In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP DeskJet 4158e all-in-one printer. So switch on the printer and open the ink chamber. You will see this is the front section you have to open first and then the ink chamber after that. Now these are the ink cartridges, so just take the ink cartridges out of this packaging. Now we have to remove the ink cartridge, press it down, take it out, same with the color. Now take your new ink cartridge, so slide it in and push it in. Hold the printer with the other hand. Once it is installed, you hear sound, so that means it is installed properly. Now close the door. Also check on the display panel to see if ink is installed properly, and now you can start using it. Thanks for watching.